Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am Brian. Today is a very special day. Today is Thanksgiving Day. I'm super excited. I love Thanksgiving. Today we're doing a potluck, so I'm responsible for the turkey and the stuffing. All the other people coming over, which is about 7 people, they're bringing other dishes, so I'm super excited. But I'm also very excited to let you know that I'm going to take part in a collaboration video for World AIDS Day, which is December 1st. Dominic Sherrill reached out to me and asked me if I would be interested in participating in this collaboration, and I'm super excited, and I said yes. It's also going to take place with Mina Villegas, Sarah Mack, Kathleen Osmore, also with Mark J. Radcliffe and Jan C. Art. We are super excited to bring awareness to AIDS and HIV. So December 1st is World AIDS Day. We're super excited to take part in this collaboration. All of us are. And so I hope that you tune in. If you are subscribers to our channel, thank you so very much. Thank you for subscribing. If you are a new watcher, please subscribe to each and every one of our channels. Also, hit that notification bell. That'll let you know when we do post the new video content. It'll also let you know when we do post these video premieres. These are going to be premieres. We don't have exact times yet, but we'll let you know. I will personally let you know in my community tab. All right, guys, so I'll get you down on the canvas. I'll let you know the canvas size. We'll talk about the colors and this type of technique. All right, I will be right back. Happy Thanksgiving. Okay, everyone, so what I've got here is a 16 by 40 gallery wrap canvas. I've got it taped and push pinned into the back. It is nice and level. We are going to need 23 ounces of paint. So you take 16 times 40, divide that by 28, and you get 22.8, I believe. So we'll round up to 23 ounces of paint. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a flip and drag, which means I'm going to flip my cups over on the canvas full of paint. And then as I slightly lift, I'm going to travel down the canvas like this, allowing all the paint to come out. Then I am going to tilt it out. Let's talk about these colors, because there is a lot of color that I'm using. I am using Deco Art Metallics 24 karat gold. You know, I use it all the time. I am using Creative Inspirations in the Payne's Gray, which is gorgeous. I love the Payne's Gray from Creative Inspiration. I am also using Pebeo Studio Acrylics, Iridescent Green Blue, and Iridescent Blue Green. 2 different colors, so those are pretty. I'm using Artist Law Flow Acrylic White with some Deco Art Satin Enamels White. I am using Amsterdam's Greenish Blue, one of my favorites. And then I'm also using the Deco Arts Metallics in the Berry. Sorry. My paints are mixed with Liquitex Gloss Medium and Floetrol. It's about 50-50 on the Liquitex and Floetrol, and then about 2 to 3 ounces of paint. I'm going to take this down, set this over to the side so we can layer our cups. So since I need 23 ounces of paint, these are 16 ounces a cup, 16 ounce cups. So I'm going to layer them fairly full because I want to make sure that I get a really beautiful color. I think I am going to layer out gold as a runway instead of flooding my canvas. Put a little gold in the bottom of each cup. to do here is I am going to make a runway out of my gold. Hoping this gold will give us some nice bright cell action. All right, so here is from the lip here that I poured in. So I'm going to put that lip facing this direction when I dump. 1, 2, 3. Oof. All right. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this one's messier. This one came out really good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to lift and drag the cup this way. And I got to be fast with it. 1, 2. Missed my drag right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to thin out this white a little bit. Going to put that down in the middle. Wow, the cells are really popping up here. Tons of air bubbles too. Let me fix that real quick.
Better to be holding hands. Better to be holding hands. Oh, we're like grains of sand. Better to be holding hands. Better to be holding hands. Yeah. 24/7 and 365. You made another day, made it alive. Made another day, made it alive. Yeah. 24/7 and 365. You made another day, made it alive. Made another day, made it alive. So today, baby, remember it's okay. We're all floating through space. Today, baby, remember you're okay. We're all floating through space. So today, baby, remember it's okay. We're all floating through space. Today, baby, remember you're okay. We're all floating through space. Floating through, floating through space. Floating through. Meet me where the meadows grow by the water hole. Lucid dreams of you and me. Sky high, busy life, I wanna live. Oh, muscle tight, early light, cleanse down jaw. Say my name or say it twice. Shed this layer of overthinking. Oh, I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me. The wicked drowning water, let go, wicked water. Wicked drowning water. I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me and cleanse me. The wicked drowning water, let go, wicked water. Wicked drowning water.
All right, I am going to touch up my edges and then I'll bring you in.
Let's go on the longest journey far away. See elephant out in the wild. Forget every word we've ever known.
All right, everyone, here is the wet result. Hopefully this dries well. There was a lot of paint on here. So I'll bring you in for a close-up starting up here in the right-hand corner.
It's time I can tell. I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me. The wicked drowning water, let go, wicked water. Wicked drowning water. I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me and cleanse me. The wicked drowning water, let go, wicked water. Wicked drowning water. We're not gonna wait, not gonna waste our time. We're not gonna stress, not gonna make a mess.
All right, guys, once this dries, I'll let you see it. I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, here is the dried result of this piece. I'm calling this Underwater Seascape. It's just got the white and the blues and it's just got all the colors there. Just reminds me of something underwater. I'll bring you in here for a quick close-up.
Wicked drowning water, let go, wicked water.
so I definitely think this piece is going to get, I don't know, I'm on the fence if I should put resin or if I should use varnish. I don't know, I'm gonna need to think about that. It definitely needs a coat of something so to bring those bright colors back to life. So, all right everyone, my pieces are all available. Just email me directly at briansuppervalleyartistry@gmail.com. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That'll let you know when I do post new video content. All right everyone, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day now. Bye-bye.